Hey, the number one question I get from homeowners is, how do I turn my extra space in my house into money-making ventures like Airbnb? Well, I'm here to show you, and I took off work today to get this done and show you guys how to do it too. Number one, have a nice, bright, clean bedroom. I know there's a desk here. Think bedroom though. Nice, clean, and bright. Number two, a bathroom. A nice bathroom off your bedroom. Follow me in. In that bathroom, I need you to make sure you have nice towels, nice accoutrements, soaps, normal stuff anybody's gonna have, but you need to make that thing bright and light and something that the Airbnb is gonna wanna come into and come back to. So let's go on to the next. Number three, an extra space that you could use as a closet or as like a mini kitchenette. Think of a fridge here, maybe a small fridge, maybe a little thing with a microwave. Nobody's gonna be cooking Thanksgiving dinner here in your house, except in your kitchen. Coming through here, number four, there is a back door, a separate entrance for that Airbnb-er to come into, or your mother-in-law who wants to use your Airbnb for free. In this space also, it was big enough that we could create a place for a washing machine and dryer. Your guests are gonna wanna wash their clothes if they're here for any great length of time, and what better way to do it with claimed space in your own house. That all being said, it's really nice and really quick to do this with A, forethought, and B, the thought that, you know what, that is all. If you think all these things out, it's all gonna come together and you'll be making some money on your house.